We are talking about containment of China policy of the West. What's the fallout of that policy? How that policy is confronting Pakistan and China?
Actually, this word containment does not suit the West anymore. It was there in the Cold War era for the containment of communism, and it worked to quite an extent. But as far as containment of China is concerned, it will remain a dream of the West. They will not be able to contain. They keep saying that China is rising. No, China has already risen, and there is no doubt about it. So, if you ask me about the West, they will continue to make effort because this is how they operate, but they will not be able to do it because this is a war between two philosophies. This is not a clash of civilization when you are talking US versus China. It is the clash or the contrast between two philosophies. One says,
very well said. Very well
one says that you are with us or without us. The other one says, no, be with us.
And we grow together.
Yeah, we grow together, we march together, shared vision,
shared prosperity,
shared development, shared growth, shared knowledge. And on the other side, what do they say? Destroy, death, destruction and devastation, D3. On the other side, together we build.